Bear with me on this one, right?
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you're glad I didn't say banana. Hey, everybody, it's the LoveCrafts Show. My name's Mr. X Stitch.
And I'm Marion.
And we're joined today by someone, I believe the Goddess of Orange is one of the many titles that can be applied to you. We're very excited to have Gigi from Gigi Made It on the show, everybody.
Hey! Hi, Gigi. Welcome. This is so exciting.
Hello.
I mean, when I first started watching you on Instagram and then on YouTube, I mean, I feel like I know you. I think people must watch your channels and they think that you're just best friends. So like, you know, because you're so open and you're so friendly and people kind of just feel I mean, when you look at the comments on your shows, they just all sort of like, oh, yeah, let's have a cup of tea. People talk to you as if they've known you for years.
Yeah. And that's, I think that's the part that I love the most. I think the funniest story, it was Vogue knitting. And I'm standing there. We were at Stephen B's booth and he has a big elaborate situation going on, right? So we're standing there, a lot of people around, and I hear a woman say, oh my, look, there's Gigi. So it was an older woman, a mother and daughter, right? And the mother said, that's not her. She was like, just because she has on orange, that's not Gigi. And the mother grabs her phone. When Gigi goes to these places, she puts on Instagram that she's here, and I'm looking at her Instagram now. I'm behind her. So I log on to Instagram and I take a picture. And she's like, wait, is that my hair? And then she turns my shit so hard.
Is there a particular Gigi orange? It seems like there's a certain tone that you're just like, poof, this is an orange that's going to smack you upside the head.
But this is your Gigi orange. If I had to nail it down, like all shades of orange matter. But if I had to nail it down, this is...
The one that you can get, like you can feel it when you're sat next to it because it's vibrating.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, so...
Yeah, gorgeous. And the thing is, it suits you so perfectly. It works so beautifully with your skin tone. And that, I think, this is the other thing that some people, you know, you've got to go with the colours that really set you off. They make your eyes sparkle. They, you know, like I mean, my daughter loves orange. She looks lovely in orange. Mm-hmm. I don't look nice in orange. I'm obsessed with blues. So okay. I love duck egg blue, and everything I pick up, you know what I said earlier, when I go for colours, when I'm in a yarn store, I go straight for the blues, always. Mm-hmm. But my daughter always goes for the oranges, but it doesn't work for me. But it looks gorgeous on her. I think it's so interesting looking at the colours that you choose are the sort of like, and the whole sort of range of the spectrum of colours. Like you're saying, like so many oranges from like tangerines and sort of pastel peaches right the way through to deep russety colours.
That's why I like gunmetal grey, because it matches the colour of my soul.
Oh, Jamie!
It's the ninth chakra, the one they never really talk about. If you like LoveCrafts, you're going to love our show. So just subscribe now. Get it over and done with.
Get it over and done with. I love it.
It's the LoveCraft Show. It's the LoveCraft Show. Oh my God, we love to craft. It's the LoveCraft Show.
Well, there you go. There it is.
Yeah.
There it is.
We haven't even started on the proper singing yet.